work this a different way. Cause you're not gonna put all that stuff in between those little bitty things. So it's gonna kinda look weird, okay? So on the L1 side, coming out of the contactor, it goes into a fuse link.
How do you do that?
Y'all remember the symbol of a fuse link?
Just a circle?
Hopefully your buddies are helping, they're letting you try. Help them. What's the symbol of a fuse link? It's a letter S, but stretch the S.
Sideways or straight?
Let's go down because we're working on space. But you gotta make it go like a circuit is it? On the top of the S,
Okay.
so lower your S down a little bit. Right there, lower it, lower it right there. That's only half an S, do the other half. Is that an S?
That's an S.
Y'all can see it?
So it's backwards now.
The backward does.
So it connects. And you want me to do just a regular?
I just wanna make sure these guys can see it. Yes?
Yes.
So that represents F, S, L, FSL. You're gonna label that FSL. Just that little component that you drew,
Just this.
which stands for
Fuse.
fuse link. So your 110 goes through that fuse link. Now on the right hand side, you're gonna do the same way, but it goes through a high limit switch. What's the symbol of a high limit switch?
I didn't switch.
You said little dot,
Yeah, it's like a
like a switch.
yeah, little
Line
dots.
with
And then
The dot?
the cone at the
Like
bottom.
you put a dot right there, you make a line.
Go down.
Down?
Because we're gonna go down to that big area where we can make a bigger circuit. And we're,
Down?
Then make a dot.
Is it a dot or the little?
You think it's a dot.
what does it sense?
make a dot.
High pressure.
It's like
No.
Thermostat.
What does it sense?
Thermostat.
Temperature.
Temperature.
It's gonna be a
So
thermostat,
it's a
let's-
symbol of a thermostat.
So it's got that little curve.
No, it's like a square,
Yeah.
half square.
Now do that squiggly line.
Down?
Left, down, left, up, left.
Left,
Holy smoke.
down.
Like a thermostat.
No, it's the symbol of the thermostat. So it's,
Yeah, go
let me-
right side.
You're just missing this.
Ready?
Alright, follow me. Down.
stupid.
Follow me.
Go to the left, go to the left. Not that, go to the left. No,
Down.
straight.
Left,
Down.
down. To the right.
So
Down.
you're doing it sideways.
That's
We're
it.
used to doing it this way, yes?
Yeah.
So just make believe you're doing it sideways. So then we'll arm up here and then you're gonna go what?
Okay.
And then of course, there's your high limit switch, yes?
Yeah.
And then this is what we meant by the fuse link.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Just a little bit slanted, but.
That's your fuse.